In this Snapseed tutorial video, I am going to show you how to create black and white background of a photo by Snapseed. By watching this video, you will be able to create black and white background of any photo. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. I have posted many videos about Snapseed video editing on this channel. The links are in the description below. After this video, go and explore them. On our next video, I will show you another beautiful editing tips and tricks of Snapseed. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start our today's video. Open Snapseed. Tap the plus icon to insert a photo. After opening a photo, tap on the Tools option and select the Brush tool. To make the background black and white, select Saturation brush and decrease the saturation to -10 and then start brushing. Zoom in as much as possible to get a better result. Carefully brush over the edges. When you have finished your brushing, tap on the check mark from the lower right corner. Here you can see the background of the photo become black and white. You can see our black and white background photo is ready. Another way you can make this, tap on open, select the photo again. Tap on the tool section and select tune image. On tune image menu, select saturation and decrease the saturation -100. Tap on the check mark. You can see the whole photo is now black and white. Tap on the edit stack on the top right corner. Select view edits. Tap on tune image. Tap on the masking brush icon. Invert the image. Zoom in and start brushing over the subject of your photo. Zoom in or out as you need. Zoom in to make it perfect. Invert the image again. Decrease the brush size. By this way, you can easily create a black and white background of a photo by using Snapseed. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more this kind of videos and press the bell icon. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.